It's me. What's up now?
I'm fine, no. How are you?
Fine, no.
Long time.
No, see.
You are looking beautiful.
Thank you. Please, I came to ask you for something.
Fire me.
Please, can you help me with 5K? I'll give you later in the evening.
Scoop it in.
5K. 5K now. I'll give you later in the evening.
You give me back, oh.
Yes, I'll give you.
Don't even give me back, sir.
Really?
Can't get like this one to come out for money.
Fine neighbor.
I'll give you 10K.
Thank you. You are a good neighbor.
5K.
What's this?
I'll give you 10K. Woto.
Because I came to ask you for 5K. Please. I have a boyfriend.
Your boyfriend, his pocket is leaked. Hey, come, let's go inside.
No.
Let's go inside. Your broke boyfriend.
Like, seriously?
Go and meet your boyfriend so that he'll give you the 5K. Broke girlfriend, broke boyfriend. You are in a broke relationship.
Excuse me.
I'm
in a broke relationship.
Look at my body. You have soaked my body. To give you 5K when your boyfriend is there. Come, let me boyfriendize you. Let me 5Kize you. Jeto Young.
DJ Fizzy.
Zeee. Jeto Young.
DJ Fizzy.
Zeee. Who's this car?
It's one of my car.
Your very car.
Yeah. This is the fourth one.
Scoop
More are still coming by the grace of God.
My brother, congratulations now.
We thank God.
So,
well, I have somewhere go and we see you. Wait, DJ Fizzy, wait. Take this one for a drink.
my brother, thank you.
Your transport. I
Thank-
will see you.
Thank you now.
12 seconds later.
What did you bought that they have not bought before? Yeah! You even gave me money. I will even throw the money away now. Yeah! Let me throw it in my pocket. Because of another car. Let me congratulate you so that don't look as if I'm not happy for you. Like, fool. Nonsense. My brother, leave the road for me.
My brother, come me.
I saw you when you were rejoicing with your brother that bought a car. We know your type. In his front, you are rejoicing. In his back, you are criticizing. Do things in a tactical manner.
Hey, scope it.
My brother, change.
Alright, thank you for watching that funny video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on all social media so that you don't miss any of our content. We love you. Thank you for all you have done. Zeee.